400?
Not a penny less.
Deal. Here's 400.
1, 2, 3, 4. Good.
You too.
Straps are tight, ready to winch. Go ahead, bring it up slow. Winching now, keep it steady. Chocks are set, look secure. Steady now, watch the rear. Front's clear, keep it coming. All right, she's down. Look at that rust. Yeah, it's a mess. Rust on every panel, faded paint. Knocking on the sill, it's crumbling. Missing taillight, headliner collapsed, marking it. First, the throttle cable, clamping the fuel line now. Next, the engine tin covers. These ignition wires are brittle. Okay, rocker arm covers off. Rocker arms are completely dry and seized. Push rods out, 2 are bent. Push rod tube seals are gone. Now checking dimensions. This exhaust valve is worn beyond tolerance. The seats show heavy carbon buildup. After careful disassembly, the case halves separate, revealing the crankshaft and rods. The bearings are seized and scored, showing copper from oil starvation. Documenting wear, we measure the journals with a parts washer. Hairline crack. Needs line boring. Agreed. I'll prep it for the shop. Bores are within tolerance, ready for assembly. Boots are shot on both sides. Gears look good. Resealing now. New shocks in, torquing bushings. Okay, lifting the old tank out. You can see it's rusted through right here. And in goes the new one. Now to connect the new lines and pump. Everything's tight. The system is clean and new. This exhaust is shot. Headers, J-pipes, muffler. All right, that's clear. Now to pull it. The new chrome kit is here. Let's test the fit. Perfect alignment. After curing, it's time to wet sand the whole body. I check for imperfections after each pass. A guide coat shows any low spots. Now it's perfectly flat and ready for paint. All right, starting the correction on this Beetle. Perfect. The gloss is really coming through now. Slide the new brake drum over the shoes and onto the studs. Tap the drum home with a rubber mallet. Adjust the shoes until they lightly touch, then back off. Pump the pedal. Driver's seat first, aligning with the rails, sliding smoothly, locking it in. Now for the passenger side, same process. Rear bench is next, clipping it into place. Timing marks look good. Battery's clean and connected. Checking valve train on both sides. Valve clearance is spot on. Choke butterfly operates correctly. All right, easy does it. Out into the light. Wow, look at that. The color pops. Incredible. 18,000. Here you are. Thank you. I'll just verify. All here, please sign. Of course, and I'll countersign. Great doing business. Here are the keys to your fully restored Beetle.
Thank you so much. She looks incredible.
A pleasure doing business with you. Likewise, she's a beauty.
Perfect. Got the shot.